Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Yes, I hope you have completed. Let's get back to our maths class. Nice to meet you once again through this online class. I'm happy for about it. Children, in the last class we have studied even and odd numbers, comparing of numbers. Yes or no, ma? In the last class we have studied even and odd numbers and comparing of numbers. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for even numbers. Open your mouth and say the spelling for even numbers. E-V-E-N, even. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Even numbers. Okay. Even numbers means இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Even numbers means இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Devama, even numbers means the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Okay, Vama, do you understand? Very good. Then odd numbers. Open your mouth and say the spelling for odd numbers. O-double-D, odd. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Odd numbers. Okay. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Okay. O-double-D, odd. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Okay. Now listen. 17. What is this number? 17. 17 is the even number or odd number? 17 is the even number or odd number? Open your mouth and say. The number ending with 7. So this is odd number. O-double-D, odd. Okay, Vama. The number ending with 7. So this is odd number. Then 20. What is this number? 20. Open your mouth and say the spelling for 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay. Very good. Listen. The number ending with 0. The numbers ending with 0. This is odd or even? This is even number. This is even number. Okay, Vama? The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. It is called odd number. The number ending with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. This is called even numbers. Okay. Then see 24. 24. This is odd number or even number. The number ending with 4. So this is even number. E-V-E-N. Even number. Then 36. The number ending with 6. 6 is a even number or odd number? This is even number. Then 39. The ending number is 9. So this is odd number. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Very good. Next in the previous class we have studied comparing of numbers. Yes or no, Ma? Previous class we have studied comparing of numbers. 3 types of comparison are there. The first one, greater than. What is this simple? Greater than. Okay, Mama? The first one is greater than. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. T-H-A-N. Than. greater than. Okay. What is this sign? This is greater than sign. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for greater than. Greater, greater, than, greater than. Then see the next one. What is this symbol? What is this symbol? This is less than. LESS, less, THAN, than, less than. LESS, less, THAN, than, less than. Okay, Mama? Then last another one sign. It is equal to. EQUAL, equal. TO2, equal to. Okay, Mama? The first one is greater than simple. The greater than spelling is GREATER, greater. THAN, than, greater than. Then the second one is less than. LESS, less. THAN, than, less than. And the third sign is equal to. Okay, EQUAL, equal, TO2. The first side. Okay, now here 4 and here 8 means 4 is less than 8. Okay, the first side number is in biggest numbers, means we have to use the greater than symbol. Now here 20, here 6 means this is the greater number. Yes, so we have to use the greater than symbol. Otherwise we have to use the less than symbol. Okay, Mama? இதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கிற நம்பர் பெருசாக இருந்தால் நம்ம என்ன சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? கிரேட்டர் தென். இந்த சைடு இருக்கிற நம்பர் பெருசாக இருந்தால் என்ன சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? லெஸ் தென். தென் டபுள் சைடு. ஓகே, டூ சைட்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் மீன்ஸ் we have to use the equal to sign. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Listen. All of you listen. In this class we have to learn about expanded form. Okay, Mama? In this class we have to learn about expanded form. Expanded form means விரிவாக எழுதுக. Okay, expanded form means விரிவாக எழுதுக, விரித்து எழுதுக. Okay, expanded form. EXPANDED, expanded. FORM, form, expanded form. Okay, Mama? Expanded form means விரிவாக எழுதுக அல்லது விரித்து எழுதுக. Okay, a number written in the form of the sum of the place values of its digits is said to be in expanded form. Okay, Mama? A number written in the form of the sum of the place value of its digits to be in its expanded form. Okay, listen. When we write a number as the sum of the place value of its digits, the number is said to be in expanded form. And when we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. Okay, there are three ways to write the expanded form. Listen, we have three ways to write the expanded form. Shall we see? Okay, listen. First one, what is this number? What is this number? 356. 356. Okay, first we have to write the place. Okay, always mention the periods first. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, Mama? Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones and tens you read it together, hundreds you read it separate. ஒன்ஸையும் டென்ஸையும் சேர்த்து ரீட் பண்ணணும். 100 எப்படி ரீட் பண்ணணும்? செப்பரேட்டாக ரீட் பண்ணணும். Now 356. 356. Okay. The first way of expanded form is we have to write the number name. Okay. The first way is we will write the number name. Okay, Mama. First you take and write the number. This number you take and write there. Okay. See here. 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. You write here hundreds spelling. Okay. HUNDREDS. Hundreds plus 3 HUNDREDS. Hundreds. 300. We have completed 100. Then use the symbol for addition symbol. Okay, Mama. Plus. Then 5. You take and write the next number 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in which place? Open your mouth and say 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. So you write here tens. TENS. Tens plus. Tens plus. And see the next one. What is this number? 6. What is this number? 6. 6 is in which place? Open your mouth and say 6 is in which place? Ones place. So you write the spelling here ONES. Ones. Okay, Mama. 300s plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. The first way is we have to write in the number name. We have to write in the number name. Okay. The second way is equal to 3. Then we are using the multiplication symbol. அடுத்து என்ன symbol use பண்ண போறோம்? Multiplication symbol. 3 multiply by 100. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. Okay, Mama. So you use the symbol for multiplication. Then this plus you should write here 5. 5 is in which place? Tens place. So you have to multiply by 10. Then plus 6. 6 is in which place? Ones place. So multiply by 1. Multiply by 1. Okay, Mama. 300s plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. 300s plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. The first way is we have to write the number name. The second way is how to write the numerals. Then convert in the whole number. Then we have to convert in the whole number. Okay, Mama. Right here 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300 plus 5 tens are 50 plus 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. This is expanded form. Okay, Mama. When you write a number as the sum of the place values of its digits, the number is said to be in expanded form. There are 3 ways to write the expanded form. 3 ways. First way is you have to write the number name, then numerals and convert to the whole number. Okay, Mama. First way என்னது நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க place கண்டுபிடிச்சி first number write பண்ணிட்டு the number எந்த placeல இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சி என்ன பண்றோம் write பண்றோம். Then plus sum of the sum means addition. So use the plus symbol. Okay. Then 5 is in which place? Tens place. Then 6 is in which place? Ones place. You take and write. Okay. Do you understand? Then convert. Come to the second one. Okay. Second way is 3 multiplied by 100. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we have to multiply by 100. Hundreds place la irundha 100 ஆல multiply பண்ணனும். Tens place la irundha 10 ஆல multiply பண்ணனும். Ones place la irundha 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணனும். Third way is we have to write the whole number. இந்த multiplication பண்ணிருக்கிறத அப்படியே எடுத்து whole number ஆ write பண்ணனும். Okay வாமா? Do you understand? Shall we see the next one? Okay, listen. What is this number? Always mark the periods first. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, Vama? O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds, TH means 1000. Okay, don't forget. All of you listen. What is this number? 1000 you read it together. Sorry, 1000 you read it separate. 100 you read it separate. Then ones and tens you have to read it together. Okay, what is this number? 4732. 4732. Okay, Vama, shall we write in expanded form? Shall we write in the expanded form? Okay, very good. Listen. First you take and write the number 4. 4 is in which place? The number 4 is in which place? Thousands place. Okay, so you write here 1000. THOUSANDS. Thousands. 4000s plus the next number is 7. What is this number? 7. You take and write here 7. 7 is in which place? 7 number in the place la irukuma? Hundreds. So you write here hundreds. HUNDREDS. Hundreds plus the next number is 3. Okay, so you write here 3. 3 is in which place? Tens place. So you write here tens. TENS. Tens plus next 2. 2. The number 2 is in which place? Ones place. ONES. Ones. Okay. 4000 plus 700s plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. Say the spelling for thousands. 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 Then hundred spelling. HUNDREDS. Hundreds. Then ten spelling. TENS. Tens. Then one spelling. ONES. Ones. Okay, Vama, do you understand? Very good. Come to the next one. Write the numerals. Multiply by 1000. 4 is in which place? Thousands place. So you write here 1000. Okay, Vama, plus 7 multiply by 100. So we have to multiply by 100. Then plus 3. 3 multiply by 10 plus 2 multiply by 1. Do you understand? 4 is in thousands place, so I have to multiply by 1000. 7 is in hundreds place, then 3 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. Okay, Mama? Now shall we multiply? Okay, 4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 4000 plus 7 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700 plus 10 threes are 30 plus 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Very good. Then see the next one. Then see the next one. What is this number? Always mark the place first. Ones, tens and hundreds. Hundreds you read separate. Ones and tens you read it together. Okay, Mama? Now read 936. 936. Okay, shall we write the number name? Okay, first you take and write the number 9. 9 is in which place? Hundreds place. So yes, yes. So you write the hundred spelling. Open your mouth and say HUNDREDS. Hundreds plus. Next, what is this number? 3. 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? Tens place. So you write the spelling for tens. TENS. Tens plus. Next, what is this number? 6. 6 is in which place? Ones place. ONES. Ones. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Now, convert into the numerals. 9 multiply by 100 plus 3 multiply by tens plus 6 multiply by 1. Okay, convert into the whole number. 9 multiply by 100, 900 plus 3 multiply by 10, 10 threes are 30 plus 1 6 is 6. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? First line நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், எந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருக்குன்னு கொடுத்திருக்குன்னு பார்த்து அதோட நம்பர் நேம் வேர்டிங்ல ரைட் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் we have to write the wording. செகண்ட் லைன்ல நியூமரல்ஸா ரைட் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, தேர்ட் வேல அத வந்து ஹோல் நம்பரா கன்வர்ட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்றோம். ஓகேவாமா? Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your max note. All of you open your max note. Take new page and write. Okay. All of you open your max note. Take new page and write. Write neatly. Beside you should write Classic. CW. Classic. And today's day and date. All of you write neatly. See and write. Write carefully. Say and write. Okay. EXPANDED. Expanded. FORM. Form. Expanded form. Expanded form. The first one 356. First one 356 is equal to 3 HUNDREDS hundreds plus 5 tens 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 plus 6 ONES ones. 300s plus 5 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 300 plus 50 plus 6. Then 4732. 4732 is equal to 4 thousands. 4 THOUSANDS thousands plus 7 HUNDREDS hundreds plus 3 TENS tens plus 2 ONES ones. 7,000s plus 4,000s plus 700s plus 3 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 plus 7 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 2. Third one 936. 936 is equal to 9 hundreds 900s plus 3 tens tens 3 tens plus 6 ones 1 6 ones is equal to 9 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 900 plus 30 plus 6. All of you have written. Close your note. All of you listen. Close your note. Okay, Mama? Don't write anything. All of you listen. Close your note. Next, short form. SHORT short. FORM form. Short form. Short form means சுருக்கமாக எழுதுக. Okay, Mama? When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. Okay, expanded form and short form. Expanded form means விரிவாக எழுதுக. Short form means சுருக்கமாக எழுதுக. Expanded form means விரிவாக எழுதுக. Short form means சுருக்கமாக எழுதுக. Okay, now listen. When we write a number as the sum of the place values of a digit, the number is said to be in expanded form. And when we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. Okay, shall we see the short form? Shall we see the short form? Okay, listen. Don't write. All of you listen. Okay, Mama? 6 THOUSANDS plus 2 TENS tens plus 7 ONES ones. 6,000s plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, then 200 HUNDREDS hundreds plus 4 TENS tens plus 6 ONES ones. 200s plus 4 tens plus 6 ones. Then don't write. All of you listen. Okay, 4,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 4. 6,000 plus 700 plus 8. Then 8 multiplied by 1000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 1 multiplied by 10 plus 4 multiplied by 1. Then 7 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 8 multiplied by 1, okay, is equal to. Now we have to convert in the short form. They are given the expanded form. அவங்க 3 ways of expanded formல question கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்படிதானமா numeral formல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, number name formula கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, and this expanded formல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Now we have to convert into the short form. நம்ம இதை என்ன செய்ய போறோம், short form convert பண்ண போறோம். Okay, do you understand? Very good. First always write the place first. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay vamma. O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds, TH means thousands. Okay vamma. Now listen. If you are writing the placements, then only we have to write the columns in easily. Okay vamma. So listen. See the first one. 6 thousands plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, first start here 6,000. Where is the thousands place? Here the thousands place. How many thousand is here? 6,000. You write here 6. Okay, this one finished. Then see the next one. 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens. But the column is in 100 column. There is any hundreds value? No. 100 value irkama illa. Okay, so we can put 0 for the hundreds place. So we can put 0 for the hundreds place. Then see the next one. 2 tens. 2 tens. 2 is in which place? Tens place. So you write here 2. Then see the ones place. 7 ones. How many ones? 7 ones. Okay vamma. So you write here 7. 6,027. What is this number? 6,027. புரியுதாமா? thousands placeல இருக்கிற நம்பரை thousands column கீழே ரைட் பண்ணணும். hundreds values hundreds column கீழே ரைட் பண்ணணும். tens means you take and write the number and write here under the tens column. Ones, find the ones numeral. Then you take and write the ones column. Okay, do you understand? Shall we see the next one? Very good. 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 6 ones. 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 6 ones. First the column is in thousands column. So you put 0 here. Then hundreds. How many hundreds is here? See here 200s. How many hundreds ma? 200. So you write here 200s. Then how many tens? 4 tens. Then how many ones? 6 ones. Okay, now what is this number? 246. Okay, now what is this number? 246. Okay, then see the next one. This is whole number. Okay, 4,000. Now what is this number? This is 4,000. So you take and write the thousands place for 4. How many thousand? 4,000. Then see the 100 value. How many 100? 500. So you take and write 5. Remove the zeros and take and write here. Okay. Then tens. 30. Okay. 30. 30. Okay. The numbers ending with TY means that is in tens place. அது எந்த பிளேஸ்லமா வரும்? tens placeல தான் வரும். Okay. 30. 30. 30. So 3 tens. Then last one. How many ones? 4 ones. Now what is this number? 4,534. What is this number? 4,534. Okay, then see the next one. 6,000 plus 700 plus 8. How many thousand? 6,000. Then how many hundred? How many hundred ma? 700. Then how many tens? Any tens value is here? No, tens value is missing. So we can put 0 for the tens place. Okay. Then how many ones? 8 ones. How many ones? 8 ones. Now what is this number? 6708. What is this number? 6708. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Very good. Next, see the next one. 8 multiplied by 1000. So 8 is in which place? 8 is in thousands place. So you write here 8000. Then 2 multiplied by 100. Appa 100 place la enna number irukku? 2. You take and write here 2. Then how many tens? 1 tens. And how many ones? 4 ones. Okay, Mama? Now what is this number? 8214. What is this number? 8214. Let's see the last one. 7 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 8 multiplied by 1. Okay. Now 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. No, there is no thousand value. So you put 0 for the thousands place. 700, 3 tens and 8 ones. What is this number? 738. Okay, Mama. What is this number? 738. Do you understand the short form? Children, do you understand? Okay, I hope you have understood. Now open your note. Take new page and write short form. Open your note. Take new page and write the short form. Say and write neatly. Okay, Mama? All of you write neatly. Say and write, okay? Six thousands plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. 6027. 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 246. 4000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 4. 4534. 6000 plus 700 plus 8. 6708. 8000 multiplied by 1000. 8 multiplied by 1000 plus 2 multiplied by 100. 2 multiplied by 100 plus 1 multiplied by 10 plus 4 multiplied by 1. 8214. 7 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 738. Is equal to 738. All of you have written? Okay, very good. Now take new page and write with me. All of you take new page and write with me today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. Write with me. Okay, Mama? நான் கூட சேர்ந்து பார்த்து write பண்ணு. WRITE, right? THED, NUMBERS, numbers. INN, EXPANDED, expanded. FORM, form. Write the numbers in expanded form. 4356, 4356, 9562, 9562, 5149, 5149. Then this is expanded form. First you should mention the places. Okay Vama? First என்ன செஞ்சுக்கோ, place mention பண்ணிக்கோ மேலே, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then only you have to write the homework easily. Okay? Then take new page and write. Next one, take new page and write. Take new page and write, ma. WRITE, right? THED, NUMBERS, numbers. Write the numbers in INN, SHORT, short. FORM, form. Write the numbers in short form. Write the numbers in short form. 4 THOU SAN DS, thousands, plus 7 ONES, ones. 300s, HUNDREDS, hundreds, plus 4 tens, plus 3 ones, ONES, ones. 300s plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. Then 7000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 1. Then 8000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 6. Then 6000 multiplied by 1000 plus 9 multiplied by 100 plus 7 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1. Is equal to. Like you have written, write the numbers in short form. Write the numbers in expanded form and short form is today's homework. All of you do it your homework yourself. Write neatly. Okay, Vama? Children, do you understand expanded form and short form? Do you understand? Okay, I hope you have understood because you all are very brilliant. Yes. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay, Vamma? Take care, children. Do your homework properly. Okay, I will check your homework. All of you write neatly. Take care, children. Thank you. Bye.